Hi, my name's Simon Gillham. I'm the Vice Principal of Moore College.
My name's Margie Gillham. I work for CMS chatting to people thinking about mission. And together we've been in various ministries for the last 25 years.
We're really looking forward to the Priscilla and Aquila conference coming up at the end of January. And together we're going to be presenting a workshop on the other half of church.
So we're not sure what your experience of church in lockdown has been, but there's necessarily been a bit more of a focus on the upfront ministries. So apart from missing our friends from week to week, what else have we missed out on by church being live streamed?
This workshop is going to be a practical focused workshop on living out the one another commands in our church gatherings week by week. When the formal part of the service finishes, that's not the end of ministry. It's not the end of word-based ministry or even of teaching ministry. We ought to continue to teach and encourage and spur one another on as men and women. And that's what this workshop's going to be focused on, the second half of church.
So we're looking forward to diving into that with you at the end of January.